In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta description in Elementor. So in order to add it, you first need to head over to elementor.com and then you should be able to see in here this get started option. You can click on this if you don't have an account yet, or if you already have one, just head over and click on this login option that we can see right here. Once you're done with that, you need to actually go over to WordPress.com. Now from in there, you can see the same option, which is the get started option. And just click on that in order to create an account, or do the same thing if you already have one. Just head over and click on login. So you need to have a WordPress business plan in order to integrate Elementor. So I've already done that, and here is actually my dashboard on WordPress with my Elementor website. So into this part, in order to add a meta description, you need to install and activate SEO app. So you need to head over right here to the plugins option. Click on this add plugin. And in this, you can actually add Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Here is Yoast SEO right here. I've already installed Rank Math. You can see it right there as well. Now you just need to open the page that you want to edit using the Elementor editor and then locate the SEO meta box. Now you can see in here this is actually my website. Head over and click onto this SEO option, and then from in there you can see this. We have the general. We have in here the edit snippet option. Head over and click on this, and then from in there you can see the general option, and in here we have the meta description. Just input right here what description you wish to add onto your site. Like for example, let's put in here about us page of Hotel Sunset. So I have in here this. You can see as well the actual option right here and how good it was. As you can see, it's not good enough since it needs to be around 160 characters. So you can actually expand it if you would want. So that's how you add meta description in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.